Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about the stroke or cerebrovascular accident. Myself is Dr. Archana, intensivist. I'm working in a ICU. So basically, stroke or CVA is the sudden neurological deficit that is caused by the interruption of cerebral blood vessels flow due to the ischemia or due to the hemorrhage, leading to the brain cell injury or death. So if symptoms resolve within the 24 hour, it called as the TIA or transient ischemic stroke. So now we'll come on to the types of stroke. There are two types of stroke. One is the ischemic stroke that accounts for the 85%. Other is the hemorrhagic stroke that accounts for the 15%. So the ischemic stroke happens due to the arterial occlusion, thrombosis, and embolism. Hemorrhagic stroke due to the rupture of the cerebral blood vessels. Type could be the intracerebral hemorrhage and subarachnoid hemorrhage. So what is the risk factor for the stroke? Risk factor is the hypertension is most common risk factor for the stroke. Other is the diabetes, smoking, hyperlipidemia, atrial fibrillation, and obesity. What is the clinical feature? We have to remember the FAST, that is the FAST. F stand for the facial drooping, arm for the weakness, speech difficulty, time to act. Next is the diagnose. How we diagnose is the we can do the NCCT brain immediately for diagnosing the stroke. If you are getting the brain blood in the brain, that is a hemorrhagic stroke. If you are not getting the blood, it means it's a ischemic stroke. Then we can do the CTMR, angio, carotid Doppler, ECG, and echocardiography. So what is the treatment for a stroke? So treatment, always we have to start with the ABC, airway breathing as circulation. Stroke per se, we can treatment. If you are getting the ischemic stroke, we can do the thrombolysis within 4.5 hours. We can go for the mechanical thrombectomy also if we have occlusion of the large vessels. Then we have to monitor the BP, antiplatelet can be given after the imaging. If we are getting the hemorrhagic stroke, we can do the neurological management. If we don't treat the stroke, what will be the complication? Will be the cerebral edema, aspiration pneumonia, seizures can happen, DVT, and long-term neurological deficit. If you have any questions regarding the stroke, you can put in the chat box and subscribe my channel. Thank you.